we hear?
Hi YouTubers, I look a bit red-faced in this one, I don't know why. It's probably because I've had a shave for once. Yeah, 3D printing again, yeah. Tell me what can I do when it's freezing outside and I've got no shed. Got to keep the channel going. Some of you seem to like it, so let's see what's on the bed. That don't sound right somehow. Yeah, I could leave my video here all day just doing this. Yeah. Look at that. We've got about 3 hours there. It was full. But nah, we'll just rush to the end. Have you guessed what it is yet? I suppose I'd best give you a bit of a clue. Is it Ooby Dooby? Or is it Oogie Boogie? I guess we'll go for both. But that's something to do with it.
Jump over here when you do the ooby dooby. I wanna be the ooby dooby.
2,000 years later.
There we go. Can keep the camera still. Forgive me if I don't. So, oh wow, they turned out okay. Shall bring them into the light for you to see, hopefully. You can see that. They're printed off really well. It's hard to see because they're in black resin. See the skulls, you can't tell. Oh, I hate doing this at night time. There you go.